Well, I gotta go back and do this. It says I am live. Am I live or how did I do this right? I think I did it wrong. Let me. Are you sure you want to cancel? All right, y'all. I am so tired. Did I do this right? Whew. I don't know if I did that. Did I do this right? This thing be acting crazy. Okay, did I do it right? Are you sure you want to stop the stream? No. All right, y'all, come on in. Whew, I'm tired. Trying to give y'all an update. I am still here, y'all. I've been down here all day long. I caught myself putting my hair in a ponytail to try to, because it's hot. So I put it in a ponytail, child, because it's hot. Whew, y'all, this is, I don't think I did this right. Did I do the live right? Y'all come on in. I'm trying to give y'all a little update here. This court hearing is, whew, this is a mess. This is a hot mess. A hot mess. Oh my goodness, this is a mess. Let me see if I can. Did I do this thing right? Orientation is locked. Rotate. I don't want to mess this up because I had this perfect. Wait till y'all come on here. I wonder did I go live right? Because when I go live, ain't nobody in here. Y'all, I am still here. And it is 4:10. All right, so let me kind of give y'all a little update. We got about a 10-minute break. I am so tired. Y'all, I have not eaten anything. I am starving. Let me kind of give y'all a little update. Y'all, the judge is irritated. The judge is irritated. Y'all, this is the craziest hearing I've ever. It seems very unorganized. When I say unorganized, that's exactly what I mean. What I'm thinking though, the judge seems so irritated. I'm wondering if the judge really got his mind made up already. He is irritated. He's telling them to don't ask no more questions, move on. I mean, this is a divorce hearing, y'all, and it started at 9:30 and it is 4:10. So, yeah, I don't know. This is, look what I wore. Some tennis shoes so I can be comfortable. Look, and then I wore my little thing, my little fanny pack, but y'all, this is, I got so much, it's a lot, so I gotta really eat, because I haven't eaten all day, and then I'll be able to jump on here at some point and kind of tell y'all what happened. But I don't really know, like, what the judge is gonna decide. I can't even tell y'all, because I mean, he could say, enforce the prenup. He might say not enforce the prenup. Like, it's a lot of information that I'm learning, just by coming to the court hearing. So I don't know. I don't know what to tell y'all. I really don't. I don't know what to tell y'all, but it's a lot of, look at my hair. My hair is a mess. Y'all can look. Y'all can see my little clip-ins. I'm about to take this out, but yeah, I don't know. So I'm thinking that I think really, and in all honesty, I think he's gonna say enforce it. Let me just tell you why. The judge is tired. When I tell y'all the judge look tired and look like he is over this, I feel like the judge just gonna say enforce it because he really don't want to deal with it. That's just what I feel. If you really look at all of the different things though, and I got like a whole you know, stuff I've been writing down. Then I got, you know, so many different videos because at some point, you know, I had to cut it off. Like, I have Porsha's full testimony, but then I had to cut it off because remember, I had told y'all when I had came, they was trying to say, Porsha and her attorney was like, oh, we don't want her to film. But then they like, well, you can't really tell people, you know, for them that they can't film because they send in their request. Obviously, you can object. What is your objection? So his objection is because I did a video and said that Porsha is on to her next victim. Girl, I mean, girl, what? So they like, well, okay, this is open court. Like, people can come in open court. So then the judge was like, okay, you know, I understand what you're saying. And then, you know, Porsha's attorney was like, you know, she's a public figure. And Simon's attorney was like, we're for the recording. We feel like, you know, everybody should be able to, you know, assimilate the information and see what's going on, because Simon feels like, you know, with Porsha's, you know, fan base and everything, that she is distributing information out that makes her look like, you know, she is such, you know, this great person. So they were like, you know, with the camera and, you know, it being filmed, they feel like it's fair. So the judge was like, okay, you can film. The only thing is when, you know, we talk about her finances, because Porsha's attorney was like, he didn't want, you know, her financial information to get out or whatever. So the judge was like, you know, just, you know, don't record that. So I've not been able to record, I don't know, maybe the last 20 minutes because Porsha is being cross-examined. And we wasn't sure, like, to, you know, if they were gonna, if he was gonna, or I'm sorry, Simon's attorney was gonna ask her something related to, you know, her contract with Bravo. So it's about 10 minutes. I'm about to go back in there. Y'all, this has been an all day. Listen, when y'all see these YouTubers out here and be going to these trials and stuff, y'all better show them some love, because this is a lot. Like, this is a lot. And just so y'all know, I originally came and I didn't bring, like, I brought a lot of stuff, but it seems like the stuff that I brought, I actually didn't need. I have so many tripods. I didn't bring my tripod. For one, when they told me it was a hearing over Zoom, I figured that I was going to be sitting at a computer. Therefore, if I'm sitting at the computer, then I can just watch it. I did not know that I was going to be sitting way back or up front in the courtroom, and the Zoom was going to be way at the front. So the setup is different, but, you know, at least I was able to do it. So now I know how, you know, to do it moving forward. But I didn't know that the setup was going to be like this. So I'm going to go back in there, and I think we got about an hour left, y'all, and it's going to be it because the court going to close. It's a lot. It's so much information, but I'm about to get up off here.